Gemini 3 launched last week, which is fantastic. Multimodal. Its design capabilities are phenomenal. Check out our other videos as we went through anti-gravity and replit and things like that. The design capabilities are really good. But for general purpose, for research, for you using like just inference, just chatting with it, it's so good. I just don't understand. Like, I don't think the normal person needs much better than that. I think GPT kind of is there as well. You're splitting hairs at this point for general purpose AI. As I said, they lacked on the coding, and so then Claude is amazing at coding, really, really good at coding. Some people use it for writing. I think it's lost its edge a little bit on the writing side because GPT is more familiar, whereas I feel like Gemma 3 is more well researched. But oh, by the way, when I say familiar, I mean it's sort of down to earth. It's a bit more friendly. It's a bit more pedestrian, if that makes sense. It's just a bit more casual. When I say general purpose, what I mean is like Gemini 3 is good enough for just, using chat and whatever. Do we now need AIs to go really deep on certain tasks? So we'll get like a maths or a science research AI that one of these companies comes out with. Probably going to be Google because I think they're already doing it. But are we going to stop looking for these AIs that just do it all and start being like, well, I need a writing AI. What's the best AI for that? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments whether you believe that these general purpose models are kind of like they're done, not very much need to get better, and we're going to be looking for better AIs that do really well at one thing, such as Opus 4.5 or Claude in general. It's just amazing at coding, and people will start to look elsewhere for other things.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.